Ladies and gentlemen, Shahzeb Khan from Badshah Wushu Academy secured a gold medal at the Gamma Asian Championships, winning 3 fights in a row, all by submission. This is a lot of information to unpack और मैं ये आपके साथ अभी करूँगा. We are going to go through the story of Shahzeb Khan and Badshah Wushu Academy together. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to On the Mic. My name is Dana Nasir Mirza. Please leave a subscribe, a comment and like. हम इस तरह की ब्रेक डाउन वीडियोज़ पहले करते रहे हैं और अब आई प्रॉमिस यू हम बहुत रेगुलरली करेंगे, स्पेशली पाकिस्तानी मिक्स्ड मार्शल आर्ट्स के बारे में. इंटरव्यूज़ चलते रहते हैं, इंटरव्यूज़ होते रहेंगे डेफिनेटली, बट I feel like we need to keep covering different pieces of information. The first and most important is Shahzeb Khan from Badshah Wushu Academy. This is a very historic win for Pakistan because Gamma is trying to rival the IMMAF, which is the most recognized global body for mixed martial art amateur in the world. Gamma is competing against IMMAF for that title. So winning a gold medal in the Asian division of Gamma is a big deal, especially considering big names like Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, India. So many big names were there. मैं आपको भी सारी स्टोरी के बारे में बताता हूँ. This is a massive news, not just for Pakistani MMA, but Pakistani sport as a whole. 3 fights in a row. जिस तरह मैंने कहा, Shahzeb Khan जीते हैं, beating an Indian opponent in the semi-final and a Kyrgyzstani opponent that Shahzeb dispatched in under a minute to get gold for Pakistan in Gamma. Okay, ये कैसे हुआ? यहाँ तक हम कैसे पहुंचे? शाहजेब खान की कहानी आखिर कहाँ से शुरू हुई? हम ये इन सारे सवालों का भी जवाब देंगे. बट फर्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सबमिशंस. आई नो थोड़ी सी अजीब बात है कि हम शाहजेब खान की स्टोरी इन सबमिशन से शुरू करें, लेकिन सबमिशन विक्ट्रीज 3 in a row हमें क्या बताते हैं अबाउट शाहजेब खान? दैट इज नॉट जस्ट अ स्ट्राइकर, दैट इज नॉट जस्ट समबडी जो कंफर्टेबल है अपने पाँव पे खड़े होकर खेलने से. वो ऑल्सो ग्रैपलिंग कर सकते हैं, सबमिशंस कर सकते हैं. इट इज ऑल समथिंग दैट इज इन हिज रेpertoire. ये जरूरी क्यों है? बिकॉज बादशाह वुशु अकेडमी is long considered to produce the best strikers in Pakistan. अब क्या वो क्वेश्चन आ रहा है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, या आ चुका है कि is Badshah Wushu Academy not just producing some of the best strikers in Pakistan but also some of the best mixed martial artists in Pakistan? क्योंकि इस गेम का सबसे अहम हिस्सा यही है कि आप सारे गेम के हिस्सों को इकट्ठा कैसे ला सकते हैं और उसको एक फाइट के अंदर कैसे इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. शाहजेब by doing 3 submission victories in a row consecutively, semi-final में इंडियन opponent को हरा के, if I case I said this before, I'll repeat it, and defeating a Kyrgyzstani opponent in the final with an armbar in under a minute. This is incredible. स्टोरी कहाँ शुरू हुई? सिराय फाइट नाइट 2018. सिराय फाइट नाइट में शाहजेब खान made his MMA debut, if I'm correct. Oh, actually, he made his MMA debut in Flogger Series 1 against Junaid Khan. But he fought at Sirai Fight Night. He fought MMA at the highest level that had been seen till then. अब हम कह सकते हैं definitely कि ARY Warriors is the pinnacle of Pakistani MMA in terms of production, fight, all of that buzz. But Sirai Fight Night at that time was the current leader of high-level combat sports in Pakistan. Sirai Fight Night pe Shahzeb Khan made his appearance on 2 or 3 days short notice. He was in Peshawar where he was just got done with National Wushu Championship where he secured a gold medal. और gold medal का मतलब ये है कि he has to beat army की team, he has to beat WAPDA की team, he has to beat all of these departments to get to the final and then win a gold medal. वो पेशावर में हुआ, वुशु की नेशनल चैंपियनशिप. ओ बाय द वे, यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, amateur wise in terms of competing in Pakistani combat sports, Shahzeb multiple time wushu gold medalist है, multiple time national kickboxing gold medalist है, boxing record of 80 wins and no losses. ये शाहजेब खान का बैकग्राउंड और वर्क एथिक, क्योंकि to get to 80 boxing fights and also have gold medals in wushu and kickboxing national championship means वो हर हफ्ते लड़े probably. And he's very young. He's younger than me. He's probably younger than you as well. Shahzeb Khan is an incredible talent. Sirai Fight Night पे वापस आते हैं. He gets the call 2 or 3 days notice, 2 or 3 days before Sirai Fight Night, and he's offered to fight Rifaq Sarwar. Rifaq Sarwar, according to me, is one of the most complete, one of the most well-rounded, one of the most gifted, one of the most technical MMA fighters that Pakistan has at his weight class. Fighting Rifaq Server means you should have game planned, you should have studied him because he's going to be doing the same thing to you. A short notice fight between Rifaq and Asim though gave us a very interesting conclusion. Shahzeb went 3 rounds with Rifaq Server on 2 or 3 days notice after fighting the who's who of Pakistani Wushu. This guy is made for this kind of thing. There's no other way to put it. An amateur world championship where you have to complete multiple times in a day, बहुत ज़्यादा fighters को probably ये लगेगा कि यार ये मुश्किल task है, इसके लिए prepare करना होगा. Shahzeb Khan already lived that life. Shahzeb is incredible. हमने Shahzeb की बहुत बातें की हैं, करनी चाहिए और आपको भी करनी चाहिए. लेकिन this is not just Shahzeb's story. This is Badshah Wushu Academy story. This is a team story, as cliche as it sounds. ये सिर्फ एक बंदे की मेहनत बिल्कुल नहीं है, हो ही नहीं सकती. It's not possible कि एक बंदा पाकिस्तान से उन मुल्कों के साथ गैमा में खड़ा हो अकेले अपनी मेहनत से, अपने जहन से, अपनी ऑफ कोर्स अपने जिस्म से ही करता है बंदा, लेकिन एक पूरी टीम होती है उस जिस्म के पीछे जो उसको फिर पुश करती है आगे टू ट्राई एंड गेट दिस. तो शाहज़ेब हैज एन एंटायर टीम बिहाइंड हिम. बादशाह वुशु एकेडमी एंड नेमली इमरान कासिम. Imran Qasim is one of the most impressive people I've seen and never met. मतलब मैंने सिर्फ उनको फ़ोन पे उनकी वीडियोस देखी हैं, उनके बारे में सुना है लोगों से. And he's one of the most impressive, he looks like one of the most strongest people that you can encounter. अगर आप उनकी कोई भी ट्रेनिंग वीडियो उठा लें, when he's kicking a bag or whatever, it just looks so powerful and so technically sound. And it looks good and it looks effective. Most importantly, it's effective. Imran Qasim undoubtedly has produced some of the best strikers right now, just from the start of the video guy, and now potentially maybe definitely some of the best MMA fighters. Imran Qasim is a student of Zubair Khan, जो कराची से ताल्लुक रखते हैं, and he is one of the most legendary striking coaches from the Pakistani striking circuits. Zubair Khan has trained some of the best guys in Wushu in Pakistan and Chechnya, and he's trained Maaz Khan, just as an example of how good his training is. Maaz is considered to be one of Pakistan's best combat sports talent right now, pound for pound across sports, MMA, Wushu, kickbox. उसमें Maaz Khan का नाम होना चाहिए because Maaz Khan is a talent which people are shocked to see how good he is. He's coached by Zubair Khan as well. Imran Qasim Khan, Shahzeb's coach, is also coached by Zubair. So there's the lineage for you. There's the understanding of exactly where we've come to Shahzeb Khan when it comes to it's the few people who work the hardest, who stay dedicated to the art form. उनकी मेहनत and the fruits of their labor वो अब जाके दिखाई दे रहे हैं पाकिस्तानी MMA through living examples like Shahzeb Khan. And when we're talking about Badshah Wushu, it's not just these 3 people, it's an entire team. It's Asim Khan, who also went to Gamma. All of these other guys, I know Rafiq Afridi is there a lot. Rafiq Afridi, I'm a big fan of him anyway, boxer bhai. All of these guys working together, iron sharpens iron. This is the story of Shahzeb Khan. If you look at Shahzeb's background, he carries bricks on his back for a living. He's not very well off financially. And really, we should take that as an alarming sight because this guy has done what most of our professional sporting athletes can't achieve these days, which is go on a high level and actually win something. This guy didn't just do that, he did it in a sport which isn't even recognized by our local sporting boards or authorities or federations, if they even exist. This is a sport where Pakistan is paying no attention, only private investment once in a while can give us a big show. Other than that, it's self-sustained, self-motivated, self-grown, it's completely organic. And Shahzeb Khan has done in that sport what people can't do with millions and millions of rupees and dollars behind them. I think that is something which is so utterly impressive, and I think you should be impressed by just as much by him, by Badshah Wushu. Their training is always intense. Their training is always technical, and against all odds and against everything that life could throw towards Badshah Wushu and Shahzeb Khan, he stood there at Gamma with the gold around his neck. And I think that is the story that we should all remember. Bashir Ahmed is a fan of Badshah Wushu. I'm going to put it on the record. Sorry, Bashir, but it's true. I'm a big fan of Badshah Wushu. You all should be fans of Badshah Wushu and Shahzeb Khan because they've done something incredible. All in all, This is a story, like I said, of hard work, determination, going against all odds. But there are stories like Shahzeb in Pakistan everywhere so often. और ये एक अच्छी भी बात है और ये एक बहुत बुरी भी बात है, because we have to hear stories जिधर हमारी कंक्लूजन यही होता है कि ज़्यादा किसी की तरफ से बैकिंग नहीं आई भी है तो इट्स नॉट वेयर इट शुड बी. फाइटर्स को वो ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिल रही जो मिलनी चाहिए, सो ऑन. बट यू नो, मैंने जो सीखा है अभी तक कुछ साल ये कवर करते हुए, मैं आपके साथ आज शेयर करूँगा. There is no one thing, no one person, no one entity or no one government which will fix any sport, let alone mixed martial arts. कोई एक चीज़ या बंदा आके कुछ भी ठीक नहीं करने लगा. सिर्फ हम mixed martial arts ठीक कर सकते हैं. Only you and I can fix mixed martial arts. We can save MMA, we can hashtag save combat sports, because you know, बात होगी, मैंने बोल दिया, आपने सुन लिया, ठीक है. इससे आगे क्या करना है? It's important for us to recognize these stories, it's important for us to show respect where it's due, and it's important to go and pass it on to people who might not know just how incredible, you know, this story is. So register this जो मैंने आपसे बात की है, आगे भी किसी को बताएं. Share this on your profile, share this video, share Shahzeb's story, go follow Shahzeb and Badshah Wushu and support them. Just support them. That is how Pakistani MMA can grow. Once fighters and gyms can look like commodities where people with money can start putting their money behind them and actually see some kind of result. That, and only you can do that. So please, hashtag Save Combat Sports. Share this video, share Shahzeb's story. Take care of yourself. More of these breakdowns coming, I promise. Keep it tight.